Are you someone who wants to know about Google Drive? Hello there. I'm Mark. Welcome to SAMJOO ZARA. Before I start, subscribe SAMJOO ZARA and press bell icon. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Launched on April 24, 2012, Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud, on Google's servers, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Drive offers apps with offline capabilities for all computers, laptops, tablets and smartphones. Google Drive encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, which are a part of the Google Docs Editor's Office suite that permits collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms, and more. Files created and edited through the Google Docs suite are saved in Google Drive. Google Drive offers users 15 GB of free storage. Files uploaded can be up to 750 GB in size. Users can change privacy settings for individual files and folders, including enabling sharing with other users or making content public. Come, let's see how it is practically. Logo of Google Drive. Click on Google Apps. Now click on Google Drive icon. This is Google Drive dashboard. Click on New and select required app for your work. Start exploring. Best of luck. For more videos, subscribe SAMJOO ZARA. Press bell icon. SAMJOO ZARA is a unique place where you'll find the solutions against your illusions and confusions. This may include addressing issues that are commonly being faced in routine practices. So let's try to understand and fix these misperceptions to make our lives easier and better. You are welcome to post your outstanding queries in the comments and we'll surely address them in our videos. So stay with us and keep understanding. See you. Bye.